you're just going to assist. You're just going to make sure she's safe. My name's Janet Teel. I've been teaching for Union for 15 years. It's my 16th year, and this is a new curriculum here at the 8th grade center. It's through Paxton, Patterson. I've been teaching medical. This is just a little bit more involved, and it does talk about the human system, such as your circulatory, your respiratory. So I was already teaching that, and this just incorporates that in a different way, whereas the students are learning about the career that would go along with that. They can explore and see if that's something they might be interested in, and it has some great hands-on activities that the students do once they've gone through concept pages, learning about the education behind what you're going to need to be involved in that kind of program. They just take ownership and responsibility for them and for their learning, and that's really important to me.
My mom is a medical person, and I've always wanted to be that. So I took this class so I could learn.
Oh, there you go, you got it. Nice.
I was drawing blood from veins. You gotta learn where to position it at to get the blood out. The rotations are good. She's a good teacher. She explains stuff really well.
Stroke it them, so you can't use one of your arms. Now you gotta get yourself moved. There you go. It has 12 modules, and each of those labs are a different type of career. If they have the opportunity to kind of understand a little bit of it now, they can make better choices when they're trying to decide what classes do I want to try and take.
CPR was probably the best thing we've done so far for me. We did that in veterinary medicine for the animals, and we also did it to each other and on a mannequin. It's a skill that a lot of people could use, and if anybody ever needs help, I know how to do it now.
A lot of students here at Union have achieved so much before they even are ready to graduate. Companies are looking for them, and if they have some medical background, there's opportunities to get summer jobs, something that might further their interests so they will go on to school or be able to go on to college. So if they've just figured out a path for themselves, that's a great goal once they leave 8th grade.